Addition of new button in computer keyboard. Microsoft is making a big change to the computer keyboard.
If you like such stuff, subscribe to my YouTube channel Itfo.
In the next few months, if you buy a new Windows computer or laptop, you will see a new button on the keyboard. It is called the Copilot key. The program will be accessible. A statement issued by the company said that almost 30 years ago, we introduced the Windows button to the computer keyboard and people around the world used it. The statement said that now users will be able to enter the world of AI through the Copilot button. The Copilot button will replace the menu or Windows button that was introduced decades ago. This new button will appear in the equivalent of the Alt button on the right side of most keyboards. Clicking this button will launch the Windows Copilot digital assistant in Windows 11, a chatbot similar to ChatGPT.